Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the payment not working issue on Dhgate. Let's get started. First, make sure your card has enough balance. If your card doesn't have sufficient funds, the payment will fail. Next, check if your card is enabled for international or online payments. Sometimes these features are disabled by default, so go into your banking app or website and turn them on. Now, log in to dhgate.com, click your profile at the top right, go to My Dhgate and scroll down to Payment Verification under Account Settings. Here you'll see your card status and whether it's accepted. Some local-only cards may not work with Dhgate. If payments are still failing, try switching browsers. Sometimes the issue comes from cache data or a browser glitch. Also, make sure you're on a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable network can interrupt the payment process. If none of these work, your best option is to contact Dhgate customer service. Go to the top menu, click customer service, and start an online chat. Explain your issue, and they can help verify or resolve your payment problem. And that's it. By checking your card settings, verifying on Dhgate, and making sure your internet and browser are fine, you can usually fix payment issues quickly. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials.